Welcome to our course on the Unix command line tool, xrandr. In this video, we will be focusing on the -- brightness flag. The -- brightness flag is used to adjust the brightness of your screen. This is a software modification, meaning it doesn't actually change the hardware brightness settings. If your hardware supports brightness changes, you might prefer to use X backlight. However, the -- brightness flag can be very useful for screens that are overly bright or overly dim. There is no long version of the -- brightness flag. It is simply -- brightness followed by a floating point value. This value is used to multiply the gamma values on the CRTC currently attached to the output. Let's look at some examples of how to use the -- brightness flag. In our first example, we will set the brightness to half of the current brightness. In this command, we are using xrandr with the -- output flag to specify the VGA output. We then use the -- brightness flag to set the brightness to 0.5, which is half of the full brightness. In our second example, we will set the brightness to full brightness. Here, we are again using xrandr with the -- output flag to specify the VGA output. We then use the -- brightness flag to set the brightness to 1, which is full brightness. In our third example, we will set the brightness to a quarter of the current brightness. Once again, we are using xrandr with the -- output flag to specify the VGA output. We then use the -- brightness flag to set the brightness to 0.25, which is a quarter of the full brightness. That's all for this video on the -- brightness flag in xrandr. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please let us know by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future content.